Want to balance out volumes to make your audio sound better? In this video, let's learn how to balance out audio in Audacity. It's easy and can be done just in a few steps, so let's get started. First up, launch your Audacity and import any files that you want. Once you've done that, Ctrl A or double click on the track to select the entirety of the track. Now go to Effect and then go to Volume and Compression and Normalize. Make sure it's set to -3 decibels so that it's smoother and softer. Click Apply once it's done and you can see the changes in the waveform. Again, go to Effects, go to Volume and Compression and then click on Compression. Now adjust these settings as shown. After you're done tweaking with the settings, click Apply. And there you have it. Now your audio is more balanced and sounds more professional. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.